how to create an account in Quora. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's begin. First of all, you need to install Quora in your device. You can easily find the app in your Google Play Store. So first you have to go to your Google Play Store. And here in the search bar, you have to tap and search for Quora. And you have to install it in your device, and after installing you have to simply go for opening. After that, you can see if you already have got an account, then you can sign in. You can also continue with Google or you can continue with Facebook. So here I'm continuing with Google. Before that, you have to choose an account from which you want to create an account. So here there are list of stories or list of topics which you have to select. Here it is said that you have to select at least 5 topics so that they will display the stories in your screen according to the topic. So if you select the topics like technology, movies, health, food, science, then they will display the topics related to them. And after that, you can tap on next. They are also available in different languages, so you can select your preferred language. And after that, you can tap on done. You have to wait until it's loading. So you can see with this simple step, my Quora account has been created. So by following this simple step, you can create an account in Quora. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.